In this video, I'm gonna tell you my secret from where I buy my Shein stuff, my lenses, and perfume. So if you wanna know, keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. In this video, I'm gonna tell you from where I buy my Shein contact lenses and my perfumes online. So for me, I am a little bit skeptical from buying online. So the only place that I buy online is Amazon, because I know when I buy something, if there's something wrong about it, it's not original or anything, I can ship it back and take my money back from Amazon. But otherwise, if you're gonna go to Facebook stores, it's kinda like there's no security, or there's no insurance that the seller will be honest. Especially I was a seller online from about 13 years ago, so I know how it goes, and I know there's some sellers are not honest and they can take your money and run and send you not original stuff, like damaged stuff, all that. So I'm gonna tell you my secret. If you are in Egypt, you can have it, and I guess they can send outside Egypt as well. I guess lenses can, but I don't know about perfumes. So yeah, let me dive in and tell you my secret from where I buy my stuff from Shein and perfumes and my lenses. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna talk about my lenses. From the first day I got my first lens, it was clear, and then when I began to buy contact lens, like colored contact lens, only one place that I like for sure, and I guess I will never ever change it, is it's Sosa attractive lenses. I hope I said it right. Again, I'm gonna link the groups of the Facebook groups in the description box down below, so you can go and check it out if you want. I know these people. They're three girls, amazing girls. They're so nice, so honest, and so gentle, and I ask a lot of questions. I do that. So sometimes I can be annoying sometimes, but they are so gentle and so honest, and they help you so much. So for lenses, I ask a lot of questions because I have a specific requirement for my lenses. I don't want it to be super big, and at the same time I want it to have a rim, because I wanted my iris to be bigger than my natural iris, so my eyes will look bigger in real life, because I have a small eyes and I have a small iris somehow. So I wanted something to pop up my eyes a bit, so it gives the illusion, if I'm not wearing any makeup, that I have bigger eyes than I am. So I want a gentle lens, because I have a sensitive eye, a little bit dry, especially in the summer. So, and I wear glasses, so I need prescription lenses. So a lot of questions. I know that girl. I know Sasu from Sosa. I always say Sasu, but Sosa. I know her from a long time. Like, I can tell I know her from more than 10 years now. I am dealing with her for more than 10 years now. I used a lot of lenses. She's super honest. She's so helpful, and I guess I never wear a lens that hurts my eyes from her. No matter what she proposed for me, telling me the good and bad and what I need from my eye, when I want something like a specific color, she really helps me to find the color that I want. So she's so helpful. She's so honest, and I love her so much. So this is for the lenses, and again, I'm gonna link it in the description box if you want to go check it out. And if you're looking for somewhere you want to buy lenses, I really recommend her. Second thing is perfume. So I'm gonna show you some of the perfume that I have, because I have a lot of perfumes, and if you want me to do another video showing you my perfume collection, I'll be so happy to do it for you. But for now, I have 3 perfumes here. But the second group for perfume is a Bonbon perfume group. I really love. It's Dina. The owner is Dina. I know her from a long time, more than 10 years. Again, I know her as a person. I know her before she got into the perfume selling stuff. So I know her from a long time, and once she got into perfume stuff, I just jump in, just like tried it, because when I was a little girl, always loved perfume, and I was buying even in perfume or flame perfumes at first, and then I got to like the copy perfume, but I didn't like it that much. I have a couple, but I didn't like it. Just like it's so cheap, and so not cheap in price. It's so cheap in the smell. You can feel it's not original. So and then I switched to like trying to buy like good perfumes, and then I found her group and found out she was working in perfumes, and just like, and it's original, so that I jumped in. So what she's doing, she's selling out like perfumes. It's original, but without the box. Okay, I'm gonna show you some, and I tried a lot of them. It just stay on, smells so good, and they're original, guys. I can promise you that. Okay, first, it's like this is the latest one that I got from her. It's a Tom Ford Electric Cherry. I got this one like from like a month or so, like for a month, and it's so beautiful, so beautiful. I wanna buy the cherry collection, and vanilla sex is so amazing. Um, so this is my favorite at the moment. Smells so good. If you love cherry, go for it. It's amazing. So this is one. Just wanted to show you how it looks like. Okay. The second one is Burberry. Again, my favorite. It's like sexy in an elegant way. So this is my second one. This is how it looks like from underneath. Okay, so they came without the boxes because she's selling them without boxes. If you want the box, she can do that, but it will be a little bit expensive. And but for me, anyway, I'm gonna throw away the box. So why buying the box? So this girl like doing the best thing for me. And third that I got for you. Okay, I need to clean it up. I need to clean my perfume collection anyway. This one, the VA Bell. Okay, we all love it, and I have from a long time, and see, I use it all the time. It's like that everyday use perfume for every occasion, and it's still like I didn't use anything from it, and I have it from a long time, to be honest, and use it all the time. Okay, so if you want me to do another video about my perfume collection I got from her, let me know. I'll be so happy to do that for you, but I just wanted to show you like a couple of them. I love them. Stays on, smells amazing, smells original. So as she says, it's an outlet perfume, so it's original without the boxes. I asked her about that before doing this, but I trust her when she says it's original. It's original. I trust her. I know her from a long time. She's super honest. She's super cute. Dealing with her, I love those girls. To be honest, I love this girl. So this is for the perfume, and again, the group will be in the description box down below. For the third thing is Shein. So if you are outside Egypt, of course, you can buy from anywhere. But for us, we don't have a Shein in Egypt, so we had to buy it from the site. So there's some people can buy these for us with like a cheaper price, like because there is shipping and taxes and all this stuff. So sometimes, because I know the taxes is kind of tricky, because I was selling online, so I was looking for someone to buy Shein stuff from, and the price would be fixed, so I'm not like in shock with the taxes. So I found this beautiful girl, Noha, and she has the Shein shopping online, I guess. It's not like a very specific name, but I'm gonna link it again, description box down below. You can go and check it out, and above each group I'm gonna like write down the groups for what. Okay, so for Shein, I know her from about like a year and a half, since I began to buy Shein stuff from her, and I trust her. I really trust her. So she ordered a deposit, like 50% deposit, before she ordered the order for you, of course, because she wants you she wants to make sure that you are like 100% into it. You want that, because she will not gonna buy something and then you say no, I don't want it, because there's a lot of people here do that. That's so bad, so mean. So she ordered a deposit. So I was searching for someone, and somehow I trusted her and sent her the money. I ordered like kind of a small order first to see how it's gonna go. And I found out she is super honest, really honest. I got my orders. She will tell you I will arrive after about like 30 to 45 days, and sometimes just like can arrive even before that. Once the order arrives, she texts you and sends you your stuff, and then when she sends you stuff, you send back the money. I ordered like small orders, big orders, like a huge order with a lot of money, and just like I just ask her, and she's so helpful when I want something that's not available. She keeps searching for something like it when I need it the most until we found what I wanted, really wanted. She's super cute, she's super honest, she's super gentle. So she can go like dig deep with you until you find what you're looking for. I love her so much. Again, I trust her. When I order something, it's just like okay, collect what you need. When you need money, okay, you need that money, I'm gonna send it. And then after like a month, I have my order and send her the address and the money. I trust her. I trust all of them. I love them. Two of them I know them from like more than 10 years. Noah still new, but I still trust her. These are the three main things that I want, like mostly because I wear lenses every day, because I'm wearing glasses, so I need prescription. So I don't want to try anyone else. So I'm feeling happy with them, like buying stuff from them. That's why I decided to make this video, because if you're looking for some people here in Egypt like buying these specific stuff, I'm recommending them. And again, they don't know anything about telling you about them except for Dina, because I asked her about the originality and the outlet, what's the difference, what are you doing, and all this stuff. But none of them know, so it's not sponsored at all. I trust those people. I just wanted to help you if you are lost, because I was lost back then. I was just like looking for someone, and like I don't trust anyone. How I know they will be like trustworthy and honest with me. So yeah, so if you are looking, I hope this video will be helpful for you. And I know it's a kind of long video because but I wanted to show you anything. Of course, for my lenses, it's already like I'm wearing them all the time in my videos. And for the Shein stuff, yeah, like this stuff from Shein, these earrings from Shein, I got it from Naha, and yeah, I really love them. And yeah, I really recommend them for you if you're looking for these stuff online. That's it. That's for this video. I really hope it was helpful, and if you like want to ask about anything, let me know in the comment section down below. And as usual, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share the video with your friends if you like it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. These links will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to like follow me on other social media, TikTok and all this stuff. Well, some stuff. And I started a courses on Udemy, so I'm gonna like again description box down below. And I started a digital product. I'm like selling them on Patreon. It will be again the description box down below, because here in Egypt we are not allowed to like sell on Etsy yet. So I found Patreon, and I have an old account of Patreon, so I begin to be active on there again. And that store will be in the description box down below. Again, if you like the small things I do in my videos and you wanna have them in a good price, will be in the digital product shop. So yeah, this is it. I really hope you like it, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. I love you so much, guys. Bye.